Well, we're both out here on the weather deck tonight because it is way too nice to be inside in the studio tonight.
Absolutely. This has been a great weekend, and it's going to continue to be very nice, Elena.
I like it, but you know, we have been talking about this. There's not been a lot of rain lately, and it seems like we're going to be in another good stretch of having to water our plants.
Yeah, we've production has watered
Yes,
our
I
plants
see
out
that.
here. That's why the flowers look so great. Like you, Elena.
Oh, thank you.
In our weather, it is going to be warm. 13 weather ball is red, and that means even warmer weather ahead than today. And this view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. Away from the coastlines, we made it up around 80 degrees, mid-70s at the lakeshore. That 81, a little above our average high, and that's exactly what we forecast here today. 4 days in a row of being on target. We're a little cooler than average for the month of June through today, but we'll make up for that. It's been very dry, over 2 inches below average, and a little bit less sunshine than usual. We've been on a dry spell all the way since early May. In fact, it's been one of our drier spells so far. We've only had 21/100ths of an inch of rain this month, and that is the 6th all-time driest Junes up through June 17th, and that is today. In terms of rainfall, we're not the only ones that have had less rainfall, about 1 to 2 inches below average here in lower Michigan. Up north, a little bit more rain than usual around Sault Ste. Marie, but that is about it for the state of Michigan. In fact, we've now increased to a moderate drought here, not only in West Michigan, but all the way back into Wisconsin, and some higher levels of drought in Nebraska and Kansas. They could use some rain out there. And as a result, we have a high and elevated fire risk here during the day tomorrow and again on Monday. So just don't do any outdoor burning. Very low humidity levels as well. How about some Father's Day weather history? Well, warmest was back in 1992. That was only 5 years ago. Last year, we had temperatures up around 80 degrees, and we'll be a little bit warmer than that here during the day tomorrow. You notice a lot of haze in the air. We continue with that wildfire haze all across the Midwest, and the clouds are very, very quiet. Not a lot going on other than that haze. That's why it's not the blue skies out there, but a warm day with temperatures around 80 plus. But the main weather thing is we're not going to see any precipitation for the next week or so. We're just going to see this haze stick around. This is Monday. This is early Tuesday. And then we'll get a little bit of a break from the haze until later on next Saturday. But between now and next Monday, the following Monday, we have a 0 chance of seeing any rain in the area. Tonight, we're looking at temperatures falling into the upper 40s and low 50s with clear skies, hazy conditions, calm winds. A little cooler at the lakeshore than up north, and in fact, mid-40s along the US 10 corridor, 50 in Fremont and Greenville, and hazy skies here in the greater Grand Rapids overnight. Overnight lows around 50 to 53. Tomorrow, lots of sunshine. Make sure you put on that sunscreen at the lakeshore. Mid-70s to around 80 plus. 80 plus up north, hazy sunshine. It'll become partly sunny in the afternoon, and similar here in the greater Grand Rapids area. We'll hit 84 degrees. 13 on your side forecast. And here we go. Here comes the heat and eventually some humidity starting on Wednesday, Thursday into next weekend. You see, no chance of rain until perhaps the following Monday and Tuesday.